Everyone, so I will show you how to showcase a listing from Proxy Connect. Please remember that an agent must be premium or global to showcase a listing. So I go to the dashboard, and if I am premium member, I can showcase 5 of my listings, and if I'm global, I can showcase 10. So here I have 3 already in showcase, but I will upgrade 2 more. So I select the upgrade option and I choose the listing I want to upgrade. So I choose this one, and it will display this image. So now I have 5 listings, and I go to showcase to my dashboard. It will display under my listings tab, and if I go to my profile, the listings automatically will display here. I will find the analytics too. If I want to choose which listing I want to find, or if I want to see the analytics of all my listings or only one of them. I can edit it from here, but yeah, I will find it in my public profile in Showcase.